Hey, first graders. All right, let's look back at lesson 8, which starts on page 128. Okay, the way to Korea. And we'll flip the page, and today we're looking here. Page 131. My book here. All right, so last time we learned this key phrase. What do you think about blank? What do you think about my blank? What do you think about the blank? I think it is blank. So for example, what do you think about this hat? You say, I think it is blank. I think it is big. I think it is colorful. I think it is fun. I think it is interesting. All right? And then what do you think about this hat? I think it is warm. I think it is hot. I think it is soft, like my sweater, soft. All right? And then we ask questions like, what do you think about English? I think it's easy. What do you think about English? I think it's difficult. I think it's hard. What do you think about kimchi? I think it's too spicy. I think it's delicious. I think it's not good. All right, so let's look at new stuff. So page 131. Now, our key phrase is, can you tell me more about it? So what do you think about this hat? I think it's colorful. Can you tell me more about it? Yes, it's blank. So if the hat is soft and the hat is warm, I think the hat is warm. Can you tell me more about it? Yes, it's soft. Okay. Or we're going to use this key phrase. Yes, you can, verb. It can, verb. All right. So ask yourself these questions. What color is it? It is black. It is green. What does it look like? Or how does it look? It looks soft. It looks fun. Is it good or bad? Is it big or small? Is it hot or cold? Is it beautiful or ugly? Ask yourself these questions. All right? We want these questions to answer this. Can you tell me more about it? Yes, it is black. Yes, it is beautiful. Yes, it is small. Okay. So first, what is this? What is this? This is blank, it's blank. This is a beach, it's blank. Well, I want you to tell me more. This is a beach, it's warm. And now, can you tell me more about it? Can you tell me more about the beach? And then you can say, yes, it's blank, you can blank. What can you do here in the water? What can you do? You can swim. Swim is a verb. Yes, it's blank. You can say, yes, it's blue. Or, yes, it's, what do I say? Peaceful. Yes, it's beautiful. And then you can swim. So let's look at another one. Oh, here's the dialogue. So, A, B, A. This is a beach. It's warm. Can you tell me more about it? What does the beach look like? What color is the beach? What does the beach look like? It looks beautiful. Or it looks peaceful. Yes, it's peaceful. You can swim. Okay. You can play. One more. What is this? It's a, let's go ahead. It is a plane. It's a plane. It's great. It's good. It's long. Think of many different words, many adjectives for right here. Okay, so it's great. Can you tell me more about it? Can you tell me more about it? Say with me. Can you tell me more about it? Okay. Yes, it's blank, it can blank. What's a verb? What can a plane do? Can a plane walk? It can walk? No. It can run? No, not really. What can it do? It can fly. Yes, it's blank. It can fly. What else can we say about the plane? What does it look like? I'll give you the answer. I'll give you a answer. How about this? It's useful. Why is a plane useful? Why do you use a plane? You use a plane to fly around the world. So we started with, let me go back. This is a plane. It's great. Tell me more about it. Can you tell me more about it? Yes, it's useful. It can fly people around the world. Why is it useful? Because it can fly people around the world. All right. Now, let's do it, but with kimchi. So, somebody comes to Korea, they don't know kimchi, and they say, what's kimchi? So what's kimchi? Then you can say to them, it's a blank food, and it's blank. What can you say here? It's a spicy food. That's one thing. It's a red food. It's a crunchy food. And it's blank. So how about we say, it's a spicy food and it's delicious. Two adjectives, spicy and delicious. Okay? Can you tell me more about it? Can you tell me more about kimchi? Can you tell me more about it? Yes, you can blank it, kimchi, at lunchtime. What can you do with kimchi? What can you do? At lunchtime, there are two things. If you work in the cafeteria, you can serve it. You can give it at lunchtime. But what's the easiest verb, the best verb? You can eat. You can eat it at lunchtime. So let's do the dialogue together. I'll speak it first and then you. Okay. What's kimchi? It's a spicy food and it's delicious. Can you tell me more about it? Yes, you can eat it at lunchtime. All right. Now, let's look at some practice. So for the first one, this is a dialogue we can use, but I'm looking at my worksheet. So I have printed the worksheet here. There are 9 questions. The first one, I do it for you. So, tell me about the rabbit. What is it? First, ask your question, what is it? What is this? This is a rabbit, okay? Can you tell me more about it? It is cute, it is soft, it is friendly. And then on the worksheet, I said, this is a rabbit, it is cute. Let's look at the next one, number 2. What is this? What is this? Use the words right here on the worksheet. Find it. Where is it? This is a sports car. A sports car. Can you tell me more about it? This is a sports car. Can you tell me more about it? It is very fast. Okay, let's do one more. This is a place. A place's name is capitalized. So big C, big P, Central Park. So this is blank. Not this is a Central Park. This is Central Park. So what is it? What is this? It is Central Park. Can you tell me more about it? Yes. It is green and beautiful. All right, guys. The other pictures, I have a soccer ball, I have kimchi, I have English, chocolate cake, TV, and school. All right, so those are all for this. And then we have the other side. This side, I want you to write your own dialogue. And this side, I want you to listen. And what we're going to do now is we're going to listen this part and this part. And then we'll take a look at the dialogue. All right, let's do it. Okay, looking at our textbook, page 131, at the top, listen and speak to. Let's look at Listen A, listen and check. What are they talking about? There are two dialogues. One, they are talking about a movie. Two, they are talking about a club. But let's listen to find out what movie they're talking about and what club they're talking about. Here we go.
1. Do you want to see the movie Mount Everest with me?
Okay. Can you tell me more about it?
It's an exciting story about mountain climbers. 2.
I joined the World Food Club.
World Food Club? Can you tell me more about it?
Sure. We make food from different countries each week.
Okay, let's listen one more time. What movie are they talking about? What club are they talking about? Also, listen carefully when the girl asks, "Can you tell me more about it?" or when the boy asks, "Can you tell me more about it?" I want to know, what do they say? Okay, here we go.
1. Do you want to see the movie Mount Everest with me?
Okay. Can you tell me more about it?
It's an exciting story about mountain climbers. 2.
I joined the World Food Club.
World Food Club? Can you tell me more about it?
Sure. We make food from different countries each week.
So, first one, do you want to see the movie with me? What movie? Mount Everest. Can you tell me more about the movie? The boy said, "It's an exciting story about mountain climbers." Okay, number 2. The girl joined the World Food Club. Can you tell me more about it? She said, "Sure. We make food from different countries each week." Okay, now looking at part B, listen and choose. Which one is correct? Brian is taking an acting class these days. Brian watches popular Korean dramas in class. Alice thinks Brian's class is boring. We'll have to check one of these answers based on what we hear. Also, what are they talking about? Let's listen to the dialogue now.
Hey Alice, I'm taking a Korean class these days.
That's wonderful, Brian. How is it?
It's great. Time flies in class.
Really? Can you tell me more about the class?
Sure. We watch popular Korean dramas and shows every class.
Sounds like a fun class.
Okay, so let's listen one more time to get our answers. Listen carefully. What are they talking about? Here we go.
Hey Alice, I'm taking a Korean class these days.
That's wonderful, Brian. How is it?
It's great. Time flies in class.
Really? Can you tell me more about the class?
Sure. We watch popular Korean dramas and shows every class.
Sounds like a fun class.
Okay, so what does Brian do in the class? Brian watches popular Korean dramas in class. Now, what are they talking about? They are talking about Brian's Korean class. Okay, now the book is finished. Let's look at our worksheet. We're going to turn the page. I have the answers here. Let's answer them together. So what did the boy say about the movie? What did the boy say about Mount Everest? He said, "It's an interesting story about mountain climbers." Okay, and the second dialogue. What did the girl say about the club? The World's Food Club. She said, "We make." but not me, her, them. So she said they make food from different countries each week. Here's the answers. All right? Okay. Now, this next part, let's take a look in our textbook. Down at the bottom, we have 3 pictures. This one, and this one. 3 pictures. For this dialogue, you can make your own or use the book to help you. I like to make my own, but today I will choose one of the pictures. So for now, let's look at this one. All right, so we have a girl swinging a bat at a piñata. Piñatas have a lot of candy inside. You blindfold yourself and you swing the bat, and the first one to break the candy open, they win. And then all the other kids go and pick up the candy. But the one that breaks the piñata is the winner. So let's match. We begin with, what's a piñata? So right there, you see the word piñata? What's a piñata? It's a kind of paper doll. Okay? Then our key phrase, can you tell me more about it? And then the answer is, children in Mexico play with it on their birthdays. You can also say, so can you tell me more about it? Sure, there is a lot of candy inside the piñata. You can also say, can you tell me more about it? Sure, children hit it with a bat without looking. There are many answers you can choose. Let's do another one. So let's look at this picture. This picture is floorball sport. So on my worksheet, I have it here. So what's floorball? What's floorball? It's a sport. Can you tell me more about it? It's like ice hockey. It's like ice hockey on the floor in the gym. That answer is here. It's like ice hockey on the floor in the gym. Okay, one more together. So on your worksheet, you can make your own, or you can use the book. So let's do one more together. How about this one? Hopscotch game. Okay, what's hopscotch? It's a game. Can you tell me more about it? What does the book say? What does it say right here? Children play it on the playground. Children play it on the playground. So let's do the dialogue together. Me first and then you, okay? What's hopscotch? It's a game. Can you tell me more about it? Children play it on the playground. Children play it on the playground. Okay. If you need help with more dialogue, you can turn to page 159, and the dialogue is all here, right here. Listen and speak to. Okay, guys, I'll see you in class next time, and we'll practice all of this again together. All right, good job. See you soon.